I have the hiccups. Now, people try to figure out how to get rid of the hiccups. But since it's a spasm of the diaphragmatic muscle, and your diaphragm goes like this, and then you breathe in and breathe out. It does one of those things. If you lean your back against a wall and completely give all your weight to the wall and imagine your diaphragm just doing that, in about a minute, if you figure out where the tension is in your body and relax that tension, you can get rid of your hiccups. Now, this might not work because I'm holding a camera, but we'll see. So I'm going to relax all my muscles. I've got some tension in my arm because I'm holding the camera. But I'm just envisioning I think they might be gone. So prior to this video, I had hiccups for about 25 minutes. And I was like, do I go put on makeup? But you can't count on looking good at the times when you have hiccups because it's random. But that works for me. Particularly because I'm an actor and I have good control over all my muscles. And I also know how to envision my breathing. Just by knowing which muscles to relax and giving all my weight to the wall cures my hiccups every time. I think they're gone. Good luck.